Pretty derp 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 diddy derp 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 diddy derp.
And welcome to a Roblox video with Meow05.
Woo, we're at a Twin Moon Pilots concert.
Yay. Yay. Yay.
Okay, so, oh my goodness. So first let's explore the greatness which is Twin Moon Pilots. Shall we?
No. See ya.
Oh, you can hear music.
See ya, chum.
Okay.
Now let's get straight into a game.
Yeah, let's
Okay,
do it.
let's get in a game right now.
I take it. Come over here.
Okay.
Right across from me.
Okay. A pie tycoon.
I don't know if this is going to be pie.
The reset button does not work.
Yeah, the reset button never works. Okay, this is not pie tycoon. This is red fire. This is fire. Okay.
There's nothing in here about pie.
Yeah, just go. Go get your thing. Okay. So yeah, we're gonna be back when we have some very nice fires.
Or I might
Ew.
quit this pie. Because I hate pie.
No quitting. So we'll be
I don't
back
want to do pie
when
tycoon.
we're done with the pie
I don't like pie
thing.
tycoons.
Yay.
No, no pie tycoons.
La, la, la,
No. Okay, let me pause this right now. I quit.
Don't.
Okay, guys, I'm back. And Meow is working on the pie. I'm running away from this. This actually seems pretty cool. No! No! I died straight away. How did that happen? What? I do not get it. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna pause it till the next round started. So, okay. Okay, guys, I'm back and I'm talking a little louder. And like, I'm playing here. And it's like a wipe out. Oh no, I killed myself. Really? Killed myself. Alright. If I didn't spell it correct, then I don't know spell. My grammar's too good. This is like gonna take a while. Wait, I'm gonna spike tape. Whoa, come on. Wait, you got it hit. Look, you clearly got hit. You got hit. I mean, what? What the? This guy is hacking. Come on, get pushed on. Oh, wait. I wasn't even typing anyone here. Or typing anything in the chat. But, he won that round. I do not know how, but he won. I'm really bad at this game. Block City Brawl. Oh my gosh, what is this? Never played this before. Let's see it. What is this? Okay. What is this? Oh, that's a fight each other. Okay. Bell punch. Wait, I won, yay! I'm one of the survivors. Yay! Wow. Okay. This is called Epic Minigames. It's kind of fun. Oh, going underground. Let's do it, I guess, cause like, this is the Whoa. Do not want to fall in that pit. of lava. How am I supposed to play this game? Wait, what? What? Wait. Alright. How is he? Are they? OMG, he just threw it. But, whoa. Okay. Okay, this is really cool. Never saw this before. Isn't he gonna die on this, right? He's gonna die on this. Right. I'm guessing he will. If he doesn't die, I'm gonna be freaking out because he won. Oh, he's supposed to die. No, he did it. He survived. Say hi to YouTube. Say hi to YouTube. Okay, say hi. Okay. That's not really how you spell YouTube. But I guess you can spell it like that. Oh, you're gonna sub? Thanks. Okay. They are gonna sub to me. That's really cool. This is a channel where I share with Meow, or known as Meowz or Meowz05. But she's working on the pie thing. Well, I'm doing this, and you're not supposed to get hit with the clouds, I guess. Okay. After this, I'm gonna do a different game. Oh my gosh, so close to getting hit. What does that mean if they're have a red dot above their heads? Okay. Oh, you're supposed to touch it. Such a noob. Swag, oh my gosh. Channel is there. Pika&Meow. That's the channel name. And I'm gonna oh my gosh, blue. Oh my gosh. No, that guy just killed himself. Oh my gosh. Blue again. Huh. Okay, where is the working color today? Red. Blue. No one's gonna die. And after this round, I'm gonna play a different game. Red. Okay, it's getting faster. Yellow. Oh, so close for someone dying. Oh, it's just us. Oh, it's yellow again. I almost killed myself. Okay. Red. OMG, did I just win? I just won. Whoa. Okay. I'm gonna play a different game. Okay. So wait, after this one actually, and then I'll play a different game. Cool. I'm going to watch your channel now. Okay. But it might Okay. Oops, sorry for being a little quiet there. I'm gonna watch that. I'm gonna play a other game, but still record. Okay. There we go. It's like over here. This should be right. Might not be. But I'm guessing we're supposed to get out of here. OMG. Oh. Goodies. No. I want to get over there. So, wow. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, yes. Yes. By playing other game. By playing other game. But make sure to watch this. Make sure to watch the video. Okay, bye guys. Oops, like there. I was in it right now. Okay, guys.
We're back.
I'm playing. There. I'm here. Hi, Meowsy. Hi.
Hi.
We're playing Ultimate Freeze Tag. Founder, manager, hobby brother. Shout out to those people. Wave, Rachel, Mrs. Wait, that says Mrs. Swifty.
Yeah, I'm just gonna.
But that looks like a
Okay,
boy.
now did you see that? Okay, I think you did. That's the manager.
Extreme Tycoon Dev. Yo, shirt.
Lobby builder. Oh.
Extreme Tycoon Dev.
And I forgot to say the manager's name. Miss Sophie. Okay.
Yeah.
So I guess I don't.
I think the game just started.
Enter it. Yeah.
Oh, re-enter. That's the re-enter that cost us. Oh.
Okay. So
No, the game ended.
Oh, I was so confused.
Is this a VIP room?
Yep.
I don't want to buy it. With my Robux.
Too much.
Yeah.
Oh, do you guys like my little zombies? Those things?
We're probably going to play this for 9 more minutes on this game.
It's a dun, dun, dun.
Cookie clicker! Look at all these clicks.
This is what my face looks like. So,
every 5,000 clicks gives a tag crate.
Dun, dun, dun.
Are you it? No, it's a guy.
In Bahama, kinda. Did you?
Tagger's going after you.
Who's that?
The guy who's sparkling. Oh no, no.
I'm it. Okay.
Are you frozen? I'll save you. Just go. No, I'm stuck. And I'll save you. Go, Avenging. Go. Ah. Yay. Run.
Yay.
Run. No.
No. I'm tagged.
I'll get you. Oh my gosh. Run.
will be killed. Oh, puppy guys.
Get me safe. Save me. I'm stuck.
Okay, so this is really
Run,
cool.
guy. Run. Guy, run.
Okay.
I got out. I'm safe.
Okay, let's stick together.
No,
Here he comes.
there's a attacker right here.
Okay, here he comes.
Going down the bridge and save that gas.
Help! Revenge me for me!
Avenge you mean? I'm just running. Oh no, that guy's tagged. Okay, there. Oh no, the guest is tagged. Oh no, I tagged him.
Okay, I'm just climbing.
Attack.
Run.
Run.
And be safe up there.
Everyone's getting tagged.
Last time!
We have to save them.
Oh my goodness, how much people?
It's only us left. You distract them. You distract him.
Is he puppy guarding?
Yes. You distract him. Distract him.
Puppy guarding?
I gotta save someone. Ugh.
No way you're gonna get me.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Yay, I saved everyone. I'm saving everyone. Save everyone. I saved everyone. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Everyone.
He was puppy guarding.
But I saved the day.
No!
No. Get out of here. No.
I'll revenge you later.
Nope. I'm safe. No.
Well, too bad, so sad.
Why is this guy following me?
Tiger's coming towards me.
I basically saved everyone.
Well, I did
Help
too.
me. Don't go that way.
I'm trying to release this person from the wilderness.
Yes.
He
Everyone's
leveled
getting...
up.
I know. I will walk faster. Get them safe.
Get them.
Get them safe. Get them safe.
Run. Help me, I'm frozen.
There. We're safe.
Let's just follow everyone before we all get trapped.
Hey, look, it's a TP and our Frags shirt. Yeah, the guy's wearing. You see it? Save the guy. Go down. Save the guys. Save them. Look at. Oh no.
I got frozen.
Huh?
Who do we need to save?
That guy. And then me. Nope, he doesn't need saved anymore. And save him. This is gonna go on
This is
forever.
so fun.
I know, right? It's literally taking up all my...
He was a puppy guarder now.
I am... No! No, save me! Save him!
You know your Boulders Club hat is like peeking through your hat?
I know.
No! He's a puppy guard!
Yeah, save me!
Thank you, guys.
Save me! Yes! I'm saving you! Save you! I was freezed at the last second.
That was so much fun.
I know, right? It took up like 10 minutes of my video.
It took about probably 3 minutes.
I know. No, like a couple. Quick,
Well-
the cookie! This is gonna take up my whole video and it's gonna take a long time to
How
post.
did you get an arrow?
Click the cookie! Cookie clicker! Click it! Click it! Yours is so loud. No. Okay. Let's get to it. Oh no, the tagger. Who's the tagger? I wish I was the tagger before.
So,
Okay, the tagger's right over there. Oh my gosh, is the guy tagger again?
I think after this round there should be one more round and we have to go to a new game.
Run! The guy's coming behind us.
Oh, he's the guy in the blue shirt.
Save me!
Not you.
There's someone tagged, I think. Stick together. Where is everyone now? Is anybody tagged? Okay, it says to save here. Oh no, he has gravity call.
Exactly.
It's where it boosts you up so you can get to high places.
Okay.
I need to be near people when I get frozen. Oh, the tagger's right there. The tagger's right there. OMG. OMG. Shut the door like that. Like the tagger is right above us. So, better save yourself. Save yourself. Save yourself.
Oh my goodness, I wasn't even talking.
Teleported.
God.
Oh, you were?
Yeah.
This is 21 minutes, my video already.
They got tagged! That's not the first person.
Yeah, you are. And you're on the other side. I'm hiding.
I said help me, right when I get saved me. Here, stick by me. My little zombie ghost friend.
Your mommy?
My mommy ghost.
The tagger isn't even tagging anyone barely.
I know.
Like, I don't even
Oh
know.
my god. Well, this map isn't even... Here, you want to go into my secret hideaway? Come here. Pikachu.
Yes.
Oh,
Yes. Yes.
Keep jumping.
Yes, I know that hiding place.
It's really secret.
It's a door that opens.
I know it's really secret. And we have to go to that.
OMG. OMG. No. Press this.
Now hide.
I am.
No one's gonna get his ear. So there's just even more places.
Get down here. Oh no, no, no. Oh no. Get over here. Get over here. Oh. No, no, no. He's right door.
He didn't even notice me.
OMG. He didn't even notice you?
He still doesn't.
I'm gonna save some peeps. Save the peep.
And I froze myself because I'm selfish.
I need to go save that person. Save
You're not
the
saving me, huh?
person. Wait, you're not frozen, right?
Yeah.
You are?
Yeah.
No. Well, too bad then. JK, there. You're safe.
My little mommy and betrayed me. Look, this way.
I know, right? The guy doesn't even know where we are.
These are horrible.
Where is everyone else?
I have no.
It's just us. I just say kill ourselves. Hey, Tagger. Tagger.
No,
You
it is
see
just
me?
us.
Hey,
It
Tagger, do
really
you
is.
see me? Tag me, please. Tag me,
Hey, one
please.
person joined.
What?
Everybody's left.
OMG. Want to do a different game until my
Well,
recording's
right
30
until-
minutes?
Okay, it's ended.
Yay!
I died in slow motion.
You want to do a different game on this?
Yeah.
Okay.
No,
What's-
different game.
Okay. We'll be
Okay,
right back
we'll be
in
right
1
back
second.
when we're on a different game. So yeah. See you later,
Yeah.
alligator.
Boy!
Let's play this
Okay,
game.
stop.
The last
Stop.
game. Okay.
My
guess
people
I'm
can't hear me,
watching.
which there's barely anyone watching.
It's-
Waiting for next round.
You see,
I forgot how to play this game. Great. Sickening
Yeah, I forgot to.
porcupines.
Just skip all the instructions.
There.
I'm still stuck reading them. Go right.
The porcupines is mean.
Clown.
The porcupines is
Basketball.
mean.
Garbage.
Mine was porcupine.
My face is
Beautiful. Okay. You'll see mine.
Okay, I'm ready.
Yeah, me too.
Right now. Yay.
Yeah. Okay. I'm ready too.
Beautiful.
Grape jelly.
Beautiful babies.
It's. Yes!
What?
I just won one.
I thought it was gonna be beautiful.
Grape
Babies.
jelly. I just did it.
Wild.
Cherry pie.
Don't
Wild
say
cherry
them.
pie. I don't care. You have to say this too. JK, you don't have to. I'm not gonna say it next. I would choose that. Okay. Cherry pie. No.
Please.
Why?
No.
Okay. What's playful?
What I picked is so out of this world.
Okay. You better
Guess
have
what
some
I
more.
picked? Are you ready to hear it? Playful weirdos.
Oh my god. What? Why was mine out? Mine was folk
Please
music.
be playful weirdos.
Folk weirdos. Shocking. What?
I don't even know what the pronunciation is for
My
this word.
video is almost 30 minutes.
Yeah, okay.
Um,
I thought it's pneumonia or something. Pikachu!
what? What?
Shocking. It's supposed to be a shocking surprise. Yay, I'm the judge! I'm the judge! Oh no.
Mine is.
Something.
I forgot mine.
You're the judge. No,
Please
I'm the
save
judge.
mine. Mine is porcupines. Porcupines. Please save me and make me win. Or you're just gonna kick me off the street and put me in the street. Just tough folk music. Tough penguins. Tough puppies.
I had to.
Tough puppies. Oh my gosh. There. There's two judges.
Yeah.
Mine is my videos on
No,
this
that's the judge.
I will now choose the pair that best fits this pair. Okay, I have been
No!
eliminated. I have just been eliminated. I've just. Yep, that was mean. I I'll spit.
You're the
funny.
judge! Pick your best shot. Tell me which one you pick. What did you pick, son? What did you pick?
Dark alleys.
Funny dark alley!
Do you see? It's funny. It's funny. Pikachu. Right now. Take away Chuck Norris. Do Noobs. Wait, Noobs is gonna win. Or Pikachu. Which one's gonna win?
Funny noob.
So,
Selfish peppers. You know what? Tell me. Tell me.
it's
What?
selfish daycare center.
I did selfish peppers.
Oh my gosh.
God, Pikachu. Oh my god. Oh my god.
There's
oh
a
my
guy in the
god,
tutorial
oh my
that's
god.
level 0. Shiny.
Shiny ants.
Shiny ice cream.
Should have been shiny daycare centers.
No, I didn't have it yet. I should have done dark alleys again.
Shiny gold. That's
Shiny ice
I
cream.
did shiny
Mom,
ants.
please win. Mine is 32 minutes long. Yay. Yay. Ooh. This is so hard.
Which one is yours?
It was, I think, I forgot. I have to watch the video again. But,
Insane. I'm the judge.
insane.
Guys, the tutorial's level 45.
What?
Tell me which one's yours.
Shoots and ladders. I knew it. I mean spit. It's spit again.
What?
Mine is spit again. Insane spit.
Was that yours? Anyway, an insane spit. Dangerous. Dangerous daycare center.
I'm gonna do it real this time. Wait, we're level 40? Daycare. Dangerous. Stop, that's so loud. Dangerous date. You're the judge. Oh, I'm the judge from that song of 21 Pilots. My video is very
Dark
fun.
porcupines. Duct tape.
Which one is the win? They want to test or duct tape?
I find it as a surprise. You choose
I'll choose.
nothing.
No one won. I didn't do it in time.
Wow, that's fun.
Difficult. Dirty socks.
Difficult magic tricks.
Difficult dirty socks.
That doesn't make any stupid sense.
Okay. Okay. Watch people are joining.
We lost all our laugh. Now he's at number 9.
What?
That guy's at level 0 again.
Gentle. Road rage.
Gentle.
Road rage.
Cameras.
I am posting this YouTube. My channel is Pika&Meow.
See your real Pookie. No, you should have said your real. This is not going on Pika&Meow.
Oh, it isn't?
It's gonna go on XX Pikachu Boy. XX.
No, I want it to.
Well, yours can.
I want mine to. Okay. So miserable. There. Miserable. I forgot. Porcupines. Mom's gonna be the first one to go. Do you see? I told you. Wait. Is yours still in here? No, you lost me. Exciting. No, okay. My video is 47 minutes long.
You should just end it soon.
Yeah.
Well, why don't we just be right back and go somewhere for a little bit?
Hold on, let's see who wins.
Muffins!
No! I was the other one. We
Okay,
won.
let's just go be right back.
Okay,
We're gonna go
let's
to
be
some
back.
place really fun.
Okay,
Be right back.
boy.
This is gonna be it.
Yeah, this
We're
is
gonna
gonna be the
collab
end of the video.
videos when we'll be on Pika&Meow.
Yeah. Yeah.
And
I'm gonna eat
when
your
we'll be
mama.
on
I'm gonna eat your
my
mummy.
channel,
I'm
005.
gonna eat your mummy. I'm gonna
Yeah.
eat your mummy.
We're on
I'm gonna
21
eat your
Pilot
mummy.
stage again because we've heard that
Boy,
the show
everyone.
is ending now.
Wait, what?
The 21 Pilot concert's ending. I'm sorry, Josh Dunn. Should I say Joshua Dunn?
Tyler
Tyler
Joseph.
Joseph, the
Right
singer
here.
of 21 Pilots.
Yay!
No,
21
let's go.
pilots.
And
Hey,
remember
it's
that's
22
happening.
pilots that made Ultimate Driving Simulator. 22 pilots.
Yeah, but guys, I think this should be it for
It's
this
22
video.
pilots.
Hey,
Yay.
Pikachu.
What's that? The
Pikachu. Pikachu.
Okay, fine. What is it?
I think we have to say bye.
Okay, bye. See you, peeps.
Bye, people. See you later.
Boy.
Alligator.
Boy.
Derp 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 derp.